Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mitopedia. My name is Mahavir and in this video I will show you how to earn money using Shutterstock. But before going ahead, if you guys are new to my channel then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. For those of you guys who doesn't know about Shutterstock then Shutterstock is a marketplace where you can buy images and videos. You can also buy vectors, illustrations, editorial content, footages, and music. Now let's see how we can earn money using Shutterstock. Open Google and search for Shutterstock Earn Money. Then we need to look for the website called submit.shutterstock.com. This is the website. They have clearly given over there. Share your work and start earning. Join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love. Then there's a section called Become a Contributor, which says create, produce high quality images and videos for our customers to download. Submit. Upload your content with a easy to use platform and get tips for success. Get paid. Make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. Refer. Earn even more by referring new contributors and customers. Just below there, they've clearly mentioned that more than $1 billion is paid out over the last 15 years. Next, if we click on See Global Earnings, then we can see that they have paid around $1 billion to the contributors. Then there's a chart over there which shows the amount of money that they have paid in all the years. Also, they have shown the money they have paid according to the country wise. Next, they also have video workshops for the content creators. They also have their contributor blog, which you can refer to produce high quality videos and images. In order to join the platform, we need to click on Get Started. Then, we need to create an account on Shutterstock contributor platform. You will need to enter your full name, your display name that is your username, followed by email address and password. Just then select the tick mark which says I certify that I am 18 years or older and I agree to the terms and privacy policy. Then select the captcha I am not a robot and then click on the next button. After that your account will be created. If you already have an account on shutterstock.com then you can click login. Then enter your email and password which is registered on shutterstock.com and sign in. After signing, you can then upload your images and videos and can then start earning money on shutterstock.com. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was informational and helpful to you. To support my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.